Hi students, today we start to solve our next exercise number 1.2. That is first question 1. If x minus 1 comma y plus 4 is equal to 1 comma 2. These two ordered pairs here we have given. In last lecture we studied about ordered pairs. If a comma b and c comma d are equal ordered pairs, then we write a is equal to c and b is equal to d. जर दोन ऑर्डर पेअर हा इक्वल असतील तर त्यांचे करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स हे कसे असतात सेम असतात. युजिंग दिस कन्सेप्ट वी हॅव टू फाइंड द एक्झाम्पल. So find the solution of this. Here we have given these two ordered pair and these are equal. Then find the values of x and y. So here we are using equality of ordered pairs. Therefore, by using equality of order pairs, we get. Last lecture we see how to find the examples or how to solve the examples of the type compare the corresponding elements. So here we compare the first elements or first number x minus 1 is equal to 1 and here y plus 4 is equal to 2. In this type of examples we have to compare only corresponding numbers. Therefore x minus 1, this minus 1 in this side it become plus 1, that is 1 plus 1, and here y plus 4, that is 2 minus 4. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 2. That is answer is value of x is 2 and value of y is minus 2. For 1 mark, 2 mark, this type of examples are always asked in the exam. By using equality, we have to solve this example. Now, what is question 2? If x plus 1 by 3, comma, y by 3 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3 comma 3 by 2. 1 by 3 comma 3 by 2. Again these two ordered pairs are equal. So same right here by using equality of ordered pairs. By using equality of ordered pairs. Without using this don't write. By using equality of ordered pairs. Again we get compare corresponding elements, that is x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. First element is equal to first component is equal to first component and second component is equal to second. What is second component? 1 upon 3 minus 1 is equal to 3 upon 2. Now solve these two. So here in this side it is plus 1 by 3. So in this side it is minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Therefore we get x is equal to 0. Now solve this. First we take minus 1 in that side. Y by 3 is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1. In this side it is plus 1. Therefore y upon 3. All of you know how to take cross multiplication. That is, here we consider the denominator is 1. Take product. If denominator is not same, then we have to take its cross multiplication. 2 into 1, 3 into 1, 3. Plus 2 into 1, 2 upon 2 into 1, that is 2. Since it is 5 upon 2. But we want to find the value of y. So here 3 is divided. So in this side it is numerator. That is 5 into 3 divided by 2. Therefore value of y is 5 into 3. 15 upon 2. That is order pair is what? 0, 15 upon 2. Answer of question number 2. 0, 15 upon 2. These examples are very easy, but solve very carefully. Plus, minus. Now, what is question number 3? If A is equal to ABC, if A is equal to ABC, and B is equal to x1. Then find, first question is A cross B, B cross A, third A cross A, and fourth B cross B. We have to take Cartesian product of these two, A and B. And all of you know Cartesian product means what? In last lecture we see about the ordered pairs, Cartesian product. Cartesian product is a set of ordered pairs. Is a set of ordered pairs such that the first element or first component is comes from second set and second component is from second set. So here we write first A cross B. So write ordered pairs in which the first component is from first set A and second from second set B. So take first A and second component is from B, AX. Next AY. Next BX. All first components are comes from the first set and second components are from the second set. AX, AY, BX, BY. Next one CX and CY. How many ordered pairs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. लास्ट लेक्चर मध्ये पाहिलं होतं आपण एखाद्या कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट मध्ये किती पेअर्स येतात हे कसं पाहायचं, तर त्या दोन एलिमेंट्सचा काय करायचं, प्रोडक्ट करायचा. मग ए मध्ये किती एलिमेंट आहेत 3, बी मध्ये किती आहेत 2, सो 3 into 2 किती येतात इज इक्वल टू 6. तर आपल्याला ए क्रॉस बी मध्ये किती पेअर्स पाहायला मिळायला पाहिजे 6. नाउ नेक्स्ट सेकंड इज बी क्रॉस ए. B cross A means what? Now consider first set is B. So first element is comes from our set B and second element is from set A. So write here first pair XA. Next one XB, XC. Now take YA. Next YB and next one is YC. Third one is A cross A. कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इटसेल्फ. ए बरोबर स्वतः बरोबर आपल्याला प्रोडक्ट घ्यायचा. मग ए मध्ये काय एलिमेंट आहेत एबीसी आणि त्याच्याच सोबत प्रोडक्ट घेतोय आपण म्हणजे पुन्हा एबीसी बरोबर घ्यायचंय. सो एलिमेंट काय असतील ए एबी एसी. नेक्स्ट बीए बीबी बीसी सीए सीबी सीसी. सो फर्स्ट टेक द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इटसेल्फ स्वतः बरोबरच. जसं पहा ए इज इक्वल टू एबीसी आणि पुन्हा कोण घ्यायचा एच स्वतःचा स्वतःशी कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट. सो ए एबी एसी. नेक्स्ट बीए बीबी बीसी ए एबी एसी. नेक्स्ट वन बीए बीबी and BC. Next one is CA, CB, and last one is CC. Now, how many order pairs in the set A cross A? So, in set A there are 3 elements, and 3 into 3 it is 9. So, there are 9 order pairs. So, look at here. This has 5 and this is 4. So, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Now, tell me how many order pairs are in the set B cross B. So how many elements in this set B? There are 2 elements and again 2 elements. So product of these 2 is 2 into 2 it is 4. So in the set B cross B there are 4 order pairs. So write B cross B. B cross B. Right here. B cross B. In the set B there are xy elements. So again we have to take Cartesian product. So xx xy, yx y, xx xy, yx and yy. Now look at these x, y and yx which are not equal in order pairs. When we see 2 order pair equal, if corresponding components are same. So these order pairs are different which are not same. In this type of AB is not equal to BA, AC is not equal to CA. Remember that. Now what is question number 4? P is equal to 1, 2, 3. P is equal to 1, 2, 3 and Q is equal to 4. Then find P cross Q and Q cross P. Q cross P, that means we have to take Cartesian product of PQ and QP. In exam, we have to ask the question, write the Cartesian product. If we have given any two sets, then take Cartesian product. P cross Q. Now tell me how many order pairs are in the set P cross Q. So take product again. In set P there are 3 elements and in set Q there are only one element, that is singleton set. So product of these 3 into 2, it is 3. So there are only 3 ordered pairs in the Cartesian product P cross Q. So write here 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. Now second one is Q cross P. Q cross P. Again it is 1 into 3. It is again 3. So take first element is 4. Because here Q is our first step. So 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3. This is Q cross P. Now question number 5. Question 5. If A is equal to, in question 5, we have given 3 sets ABC. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 4, 5, 6. And C is equal to 5, 6. Then we have to find some examples. First one, A cross B union C, B intersection C. Second, A cross B intersection A cross C. Third, A cross B union C. And fourth one, A cross B union A cross C. Again, here I am going to solve the question number 1 and question number 3. And here question number 2 and question number 4 is for homework. You should try to solve these two and send me answer of these 2 questions. And if you don't understand, then please ask me doubts. So first we are going to solve our question number 1. A cross B intersection C. And always remember that you have to always solve the bracket first. So here we find B intersection C first. And all of you know that how to take union, intersection, complement, all of us. First find B intersection C. B intersection C means what? Take the common element which are in between BC. सारखे दिसणारे एलिमेंट असे कोणते आहेत की जे BC मध्ये सेम BC मध्ये असणारे सेम एलिमेंट्स, that is 5 and 6 which are common in between BC. Now take Cartesian product with A. Therefore A cross B intersection C. ह्या दोघांचा कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट घ्यायचा आहे तुम्हाला, A आणि B इंटरसेक्शन C. मग आता पहा A आणि B इंटरसेक्शन C ह्या दोघांमध्ये मग आता पहिल्यांदा लक्षात ठेवायचं आपल्याकडे किती पेअर्स यायला पाहिजेत. मग पेअर्स कशा फाइंड करतो आपण? दोघांचा प्रोडक्ट करायचा नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्सचा. A मध्ये किती एलिमेंट्स आहेत? 4 आणि B ह्या सेट मध्ये किती आहेत? B इंटरसेक्शन C मध्ये 2. सो 4 into 2 आपल्याला किती पेअर्स मिळायला पाहिजेत ह्या सेट मध्ये? 8 पेअर्स येतील. पण पहिला सेट कोणता घ्यायचा? A आणि दुसरा सेट B इंटरसेक्शन C चा. मग सांगा पहिला कंपोनेंट काय असेल? पहिली एक पेअर 1,5. नेक्स्ट वन 2,5. पुढचा 3,5 and 4,5. 1 ची प्रत्येकाशी पेअर लावून झाली 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5 आणि 4, 5. आता पुढचा 1,6, 2,6, 3,6 and 4,6. आता एखादा कसं लिहिल पहा 1,5, 1,6, 2,5, 2,6, 3,5, 3,6, 4,5, 4,6, which is also correct. This is Cartesian product of A cross B intersection C. So using this, you should try to solve our second example. Now what is second example? Look at here. A cross B. First take Cartesian product of A cross B. And all of you know that how to take Cartesian product. A cross B. A आणि B चा product घ्यायचा. काय येईल? 1 4 1 5 1 6. 2 4 2 5 2 6. 3 4 3 5 3 6. 4 4 4 5 4 6. किती पेअर्स येतील ह्याच्यामध्ये? ह्याच्यामध्ये 4 आणि ह्याच्यामध्ये 3 आहे. So 4 into 3. Then in A cross B we get 12 ordered pairs. And next A cross C. A cross C मध्ये किती पेअर्स येतील? इथे 4 आहेत आणि ह्याच्यामध्ये 2 आहेत. So 4 into 2. In A cross B there are 12 ordered pairs and in A cross C there are 8 ordered pairs. Now in this example we have to take intersection of these two. Intersection means A cross B आणि A intersection A cross C ह्या दोघांमध्ये असणारे सेम पेअर्स घ्यायचे. इंटरसेक्शन समजतं सगळ्यांना. Common ordered pairs in the two Cartesian product or in these two sets. Now we solve our question number 3. You should try to solve. If you don't understand, then please ask me. Question 3. A cross B union C. Again we take first bracket. B union C. What is B union C? That is common elements. Common elements. Common means write all elements in B and C. 4, 5, 6. These 5, 6 are common. So elements are 4, 5 and 6. We have to take Cartesian product of A. So A is our first step. Right here A. 1, 2, 3, 4. And B is equal to B union C. 4, 5 and 6. We have to take Cartesian product of these two. That means first element is from first set and second element is from second set. First of all, there are how many ordered pairs? Here are 4 and it is 3. So 4 into 3, it is again 12. So we get now 12 ordered pairs. Right? A cross B union C. First element is from the, consider, treat this as only one set, that is single set B. Don't take B union C, right? Treat it as only single set. 1, 4. Next 1, 5. 1, 6. 2, 4. 2, 5. 2, 6. Next 3, 4. 3, 5. 3, 6. 4, 4. 4, 5. 4, 6. Count the pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So there are 12 ordered pairs and you should try to solve these again. Question number 4. What is question 4 here? A cross B union A cross C. So first take A cross B. Again in A cross B there are again 12 ordered pairs. In set A there are 4 elements and in the set B there are 3 elements. So 4 3s are 12. So what is first element here? 1 4 2 4. Right here 1 4 1 5 1 6 2 4 2 5 2 6. In Cartesian product, always remember that the first component is taken from first set and second component is from the second set. 2 6. Next one 3 4 3 5 3 6 and next one is 4 4 4 5 and 4 6. This is A cross B. Now find A cross C. A cross C. A and C. There are 4 and here 2. So 4 into 2 it is 8. 1 into 5. 1 comma 6. 2 comma 5. 2 comma 6. 3 comma 5. 3 comma 6. 4 comma 5. 4 comma 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is A cross B and this is A cross C. Here we have to take union of these two sets. So in union we write all the ordered pairs, but don't write the common ordered pairs. Here which ordered pairs are common? 1 5, 1 6, again 2 5, 2 6. So don't write common ordered pairs. Write only single ordered pairs. So A cross B union A cross C is equal to, first one is 1 4, next one 1 5, 1 6, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6. There are common pairs. Look at here, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6. So write it once. 2 comma 4. It is again 2 comma 5. So again write it as once. This is our question number 5. You have to solve our second question. Here I am giving you a solution of question number 4. Similarly, here in this example 4 we take union, but in second example we have to take intersection. So if we take intersection of these two sets, so don't write all the ordered pairs. सगळ्या pairs नाही लिहायचे intersection घेताना. ह्या दोन्ही सेट्स मधल्या कोणत्या पेअर लिहायच्यात की ज्या दोन्ही सेट मध्ये आहेत अशाच. इथे मी काय घेतलाय, युनियन घेतला आणि तुम्हाला कोणतं एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह करायचं, इंटरसेक्शन. सो यू हॅव टू राईट दी ओनली common ordered pairs which are in A cross B and A cross C. In next lecture we solve our remaining questions. Thank you.